How to move search bar to the top on your Android device. Hello and welcome back everybody. If you'd like to move search bar to the top on Android, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started. So if you're going ahead on Android, you can move the search bar usually for Google search widget on your home screen or the address bar within a specific web browser like Chrome. So for that, what you can do is once you find the search bar on your home screen, you just need to long press on the bar. And once you find it up, you can drag the widget to the top of your screen or to any of the location that you prefer and release it when the widget you have placed is where you want it to be. And that is it. And if the widget is not on your home screen yet, what you can do is you can long press on your home screen and a menu appears. You can look out for the widget option from the given menu and tap on it. And once you go ahead and tap on it, you can scroll to the given options and find the option for Google and drop it down. And once you expand it up, you can find the quick search for Google and long press on it, hold it up, and you can just go ahead and place it wherever you want on your screen. And that's it. And also you can customize it, select your theme right there, and when you head back you should be finding the widget being added on your home screen. You can place it wherever you want, and that's it. So that is how you basically go ahead and move your search bar to the top on your Android device. It is pretty quick and easy. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.